While the economic savings and environmental responsibility of natural daylighting systems are easy to grasp concepts, it is imperative to not overlook the impact that natural daylight has on people. The relationship between people and the spaces in which they work and live is undeniable. Daylight can affect productivity, memory retention, absenteeism, and even an individual's mood and general sense of well-being. It is well established that people prefer a space that benefits from natural daylight. Extensive studies have consistently shown that the use of daylight should not be considered a preference, but rather a critical building design factor that has significant positive effects on human performance. In the workplace, studies have shown that natural light provides across-the-board improvements in worker productivity and performance. Natural light has not only been associated with increased productivity, but also with an improved quality of work. Adequate natural daylighting has also been linked to decreased absenteeism and increased job satisfaction and positive work experiences. In fact, the positive influences of natural light in the workplace are so profound that the United States Department of Energy has concluded, "Give people light and spend less on health care." Retail stores not only enjoy the same employee satisfaction and productivity gains as do other businesses, but natural daylight also offers them a competitive advantage reflected in higher sales and greater customer loyalty. Customers routinely report that daylit stores appear bigger, cleaner, better organized, and more appealing. The effect is to create a more relaxing and positive shopping experience, which encourages customers to stay longer and spend more. The benefits of natural daylight are just as dramatic in our schools. Multiple studies have shown that students in daylit classrooms learned faster and had higher test scores compared to students in classrooms without natural daylighting. Not only does appropriate daylighting foster higher student achievement and improved test scores, higher attendance rates and reduced incidence of poor behavior have also been attributed to natural light in the classroom. In general, the greatest benefit of natural light may be its positive physiological effects. Its role in treating conditions such as seasonal affective disorder points to a profound influence on circadian rhythms, hormone levels, general sensory stimulation, and our overall biological well-being.